Right. In the last class, we have discussed about what is Angular and what are the prerequisites. Then after what is Angular, what is client-side technologies, and what are server-side technologies. What is the difference between them, and what is the framework, and okay, all those things we have discussed it. And what is TypeScript? What is the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript? Also, we have discussed it, and we have discussed about 2 points, and remaining we have 2 points also. Okay, then I will discuss about MVC structure. Okay, everyone. Right. Thank you. So give me 1 second. So now what is the thing I'm going to do is I will explain what is TypeScript one more time. Okay. Right. Then after I will continue the topic, today topic. Understand it, everybody? So whoever missed yesterday class, they also can understand it very easily. Is this point clear, everyone? Okay. Right. So what is TypeScript? TypeScript is nothing but superset of JavaScript. TypeScript is nothing but superset of JavaScript developed by Microsoft company. So Microsoft, you know, that is found by Bill Gates. Okay, so that is a very big company also. So okay, so they have very interested on JavaScript. Understand it, everybody? 1 second, wait. Somebody sent a mail. Yeah, give me 1 second. Somebody sent a mail like, can you send today Angular class link? Give me 1 second, please. Okay, right. Yeah, we will discuss about that tomorrow later. Okay, right. Rahul, give me 1 second. Right. So you know Microsoft, that is a very big company. Okay, right. So they have developed this TypeScript language. So based on what? Based on JavaScript. So this TypeScript also developed by JavaScript only, but this is superset of JavaScript. That means modified version of JavaScript also we can call, or else extended part of JavaScript also we can call. What is that? Modified version of JavaScript also we can call, or else extended part of JavaScript also we can call. Okay, right. Now, what is this? What are the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript? What are the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript? Okay, right. So why we need to discuss about the differences between JavaScript and TypeScript? Because this is superset of JavaScript. What I told you about superset of JavaScript? Modified version of JavaScript or as extended part of JavaScript. For example, you have taken A into your hands and you have converted as B. Now there will be differences between Java A and B or not? Respond everyone. Property wise, looking wise, everything. There is a difference between A and B or not? Respond everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. In the same way, this Microsoft people taken this. Okay, in this Microsoft people taken this JavaScript into their hands and they have modified as TypeScript. So if anything is modified, definitely there will be differences between previous version and the new one. Previous one and the new one. Okay, right. So then what are the differences between them? JavaScript and TypeScript? Very, very simple. JS is loosely typed language. TS is strictly typed language. Here typed means related to data types only. Give me 1 second. Here typed means related to data types only. Okay, everybody. So what are the data types? For example, whenever you are programming, we need to deal with the data. So whenever we are dealing with the data, Whenever we are dealing with the data, okay, there will be different types of data also will be there. For example, some data will be numbers, some data will be alphabets, some data will be true or false. So for numbers, any type of number, whether it is a floating number or its normal number, data type will be number only in TypeScript. For alphabets, data type will be string. Alphanumerical values, data type will be string. Alphanumerical special characters, data type will be string. So true or false, data type will be Boolean. So whenever you are programming with a strictly type languages, whenever we are declaring a variable, we need to mention the data type. That is okay. Okay, that is a thing we need to follow. But in loosely type language means no need to mention the data type. So always it will accept any type of data. Any type of data it will accept. Okay, that is the difference. For example of JavaScript, see here where x equal to 10. Okay, so only focus on the line number 24. What is the value of x? What is the data type for the x? Respond everyone. What is the data type for the x?
10.
10 only. Okay, right. Why? Because data is the 10. Okay, number. Okay, what is that? Number. So in the next one, what I'm doing, x equal to Ramesh. What is the data type for the Ramesh? What is the data type for the Ramesh? Because that is alphabet.
String.
String. So here I have assigned the first value as number, but here I have assigned next value as string. Here I am printing the console.log x. So what is the output I will get?
Ramesh.
Ramesh only. Okay, why? Because this is loosely typed language. So loosely typed language always focus on the, okay, loosely typed language always focus on the data, latest data. Okay, loosely typed languages always focus on the latest data. Understanding it, everybody? It doesn't bother about the data types. So we'll get our output as Ramesh. We don't get any error. Same thing I am doing with the TypeScript. See there, where x equal to 10. Here I'm not mentioning the data type. In the next line I'm getting, I'm writing x equal to 100. What is the output I will get? I wait 1 second. I did not mention here the data type, but I'm assigning the values. What is the output I will get? 10, 100 or error?
100.
What is that? 100. Why? Because though it is strictly typed language, there is advantage of the TypeScript. What is that advantage is, if you don't mention the data type, depends upon the first value, automatically it will assign the data type. For example, line number 30 and 31. Which line is the first value? What is the first value?
10.
10. Okay, 10 only. So what is the data for the 10? What is the data for the 10?
Number.
So what this x will do? Always it will accept number as the data. Number as the data. So in the next one, what are you doing? You are assigning this 100 as number only. So if the data type is matching, always it will focus on the latest value. So here data type is a number, data is number only. Here also data type is number, data also number. So it will focus on the latest value. So we will get output as 100. Okay, right. Now here, what is the thing I'm doing is, okay, here, what is the thing I'm doing is, here, this 100, I am keeping in the double quotations. Now tell me what is the output I will get?
Error.
Others respond. What is the output you will get? Error. Why?
Error.
Yeah, why will get error?
Data type is number.
Data type is number, but data is string. So if you write anything, yeah, if you write anything in the double quotations, TypeScript will feel it as a string only. Though you are writing a number, but TypeScript will feel it as a string only. So here automatically it is assigning the data type as number, but here in the next one you are reassigning with string. Since data type and data is not matching, we'll get error. Clear it, everyone? Please respond.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. For example, here I'm writing in Ramesh. Then also what is the output we'll get?
Error.
Error only.
Error.
Why? Because Ramesh is alphabets. Alphabets means data type is string. Here data type is number. So automatically we get error only. Clear, everybody? So this is the first difference.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear about this first difference? Respond everyone.
Yes, sir.
Hashita, Pavani, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Kritik, Lakshmi, Nitesh,
Yes, sir.
Rahul.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, Ramji, Ranjana, Sairam, Shivani, Sojanya, Shravani, Sanja, Sujit. Shravani, you are not attending from last 2 days, right?
Yeah, so it's a health issue, so that's why.
Okay, okay, right, right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Just confirm. Okay, that's just confirming. That's it. Okay, right. So TypeScript. Now are you fine, right?
Yes, sir, I'm feeling good now.
Okay, right. So now this is about this, and then second point. Okay, right. Second point is params count and arguments count. ARGS means what? Arguments. So why? Okay. So what is the necessity of these params and arguments? For example, whenever we are programming, whenever we are developing an application, we need to perform different functionalities. Sometimes we need to create, sometimes we need to retrieve, sometimes we need to update, sometimes we need to add, sometimes we need to multiply, subtract, whatever it may be. So in that case, we need to perform functionalities. In that case, we need to write functions. What is it, everybody? We need to write functions. So whenever you are writing functions, okay, sometimes that functions will expect some values also by default. So in that case, params count and arguments count. No need to match in JavaScript. Automatically, unmatched parameter value will become undefined. What is it, everyone? Automatically unmatched parameter value will become undefined. There, everybody. Right, where in JavaScript only. But here, params count and arguments count should match in TypeScript. Params count and arguments count should match in TypeScript. Okay, right. So for example for JavaScript. Here I want to perform additional operation. So that's why I'm writing a function, and then here I'm writing the function name add. Okay, right. Parenthesis curly brace. I am writing here console.log statement. So if you write any statement in a function, do that statement will execute automatically? Respond. Do that statement will execute automatically? Do
No,
that
sir.
statement? No. Okay. So what it will do? We need to call that function. So here I'm calling that function. So if you want to add minimum, how many numbers we require? If you want to add minimum, how many numbers? Okay, 2. For example, here I'm writing here 6, 4. So what the 6, 4 can be called as? What is the 6, 4 can be called as?
Arguments.
Argument.
What is that? Arguments only. Okay. So now how these arguments can be hold? Sorry. Sorry. What
Two
is arguments
parameters.
can be called as?
Parameters.
Arguments. Right. Okay. Arguments. How these arguments can be held by the function? Parameters. What is it, everybody? Parameters. Clear it, everyone? So it can hold by the parameters. So this is the difference between arguments and parameters also. So arguments means directly the values. Okay, parameters means, okay, everybody. So parameters means
Holding actual arguments.
yeah. Okay, parameters means which can hold the arguments, which can hold the arguments. So these parameters will hold the arguments respectively. These parameters will hold the arguments respectively. Understanding that my point? These parameters will hold the arguments respectively. Respectively means what? First argument, first parameter. Second argument, second parameter. Understand it, everybody? First argument, first parameter. Second argument, second parameter. And here what I'm doing? A comma B. How many parameters we need to specify? 2 parameters. Why 2 parameters? Because we are sending here 2 arguments. So here 6 will assign to A, 4 will assign to B. And finally what I'm doing? A plus B. And what is the output I will get? Respond, everybody. 10. Okay. So number plus number equal to number. Number plus string equal to string. Number plus string, string plus number equal to string. Here number plus number. So automatically number only will get output. Now what I'm doing is here I'm sending only one parameter. Here I'm sending only one parameter, one argument. What is that? Only one argument. Now respond, everybody. How many parameters we need to specify? One only. But here, yeah, one only.
Only one.
But yeah, but here I'm sticking to 2 parameters. Then what happens? What will be output? Arguments I'm sending is only one, but parameters is 2. 1 second.
Not a number.
What is the output I will get?
Not a number.
not a number. Why? Because a value, 6 will ascend to a, so a value is number. Then what is the unmatched parameter here? B. What is it, everybody? What is the unmatched parameter here? B. Okay, right. 1 second. Let me drink water. Then tell me what is the unmatched parameter value will become? What is the unmatched parameter value will become? Undefined. So yeah, A means 6, B means undefined. So number plus number equal to number plus string equal to string plus number equal to string, but number plus undefined, JavaScript also doesn't know. So that's why it will telling not a number. Definitely not a number. Nan. Clear it, everybody? What is the output I will get? Respond, everyone. Not a
Nan.
number. Okay, nan. Not a number. Same thing I am doing with TypeScript. What is the rule in TypeScript? Parameters count, arguments count. Should match in TypeScript. So depends upon this. Tell me what is the output we will get?
Error.
What is that? Error. Why? Here arguments is 1, but parameters is 2. So here arguments count to parameters count should match. Since it is not obeying this rule, we will get error. Clear it, everyone? Please respond.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
right.
sir.
Okay, right. So then after here, what is the thing I'm doing is third part I'm going to explain. So this is about the 2 points. Are you clear about these 2 points? Respond finally.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now third point. What is the third point? Oops concepts. What is that? Oops concepts are very complicated in JavaScript because
Yes.
there is no class concept. Because there is no class concept. But here oops concepts are not complicated in TypeScript because there is class concept. So what is the advantage of class concept? So in a single class we can write n number of functions. In a single class we can write n number of variables, member variables. So if you write anything in a class, what we need to do? Just we need to create an object for that class. Just we need to create an object for that class. Understanding my point? Respond. Just we need to create object for that class. Okay, through that object we can access all the methods and variables related that particular class. Clear, everyone? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay,
Yes, sir.
all
Yes,
the
sir.
methods and the variables you can access through that class. Okay, this is about this. Okay, but in JavaScript there is no class concept. Since there is no class concept, what happens? Each and everything we need to do with function. So we need to write a function. That function has to return another function. Okay, that function has to write another function, and in that function we need to send another function as a parameter. So many functions we are need to do. So finally we'll forget which function is performing which operation. Okay, everybody. So that's why class concepts, oops concepts are very complicated in JavaScript. Clear it, everybody? Right. So that's why all the oops concepts I have discussed in the TypeScript videos. That videos I will share with you after making payments. And whoever paid payment, please don't worry, they will get the videos today. Not today. So Friday night or else Saturday morning 11 o'clock you will get all the videos. Okay, right? Trust me. And okay, right. And all these files also. So files maybe due to some permission issue, I'm not able to share with everybody. Okay, right. So by definitely Saturday, I will share that files. However, or else I will send each and every person individually mail also. If I am not able to share that files, only files through Google Drive, I will send each and every person that files directly through email. Okay, so please don't worry. Right. So now this is third point. And then after fourth point, what is that everybody? Fourth point. So fourth point is types JavaScript uses interpreters. What is that everybody? Interpreters. Okay, right. Then after this one, TypeScript uses compilers. What is it everyone? TypeScript uses compilers. So what these interpreters and compilers will do? What these interpreters and compilers will do? So whatever we are writing programming, we will use English alphabets. So computer can understand the English alphabets. Do this computer can understand these English alphabets? Definitely not.
No.
Okay, so computer can understand, computers can understand, yeah, only binary language. Okay, only binary language, that means 0 1s. So something should be there to convert our code into, okay, binary code. So who will convert? Either interpreters or compilers. Okay, either interpreters or compilers. So scripting languages, all scripting language uses interpreters most of the time. Okay, and all programming language uses compilers. That is the difference between programming and scripting language also. Okay, and what these interpreters and compilers will do? Converting our code into binary code. So both are doing the same thing. And what is the difference? Very simple. So interpreters will read our code line by line, and they will throw the errors also. Please keep everybody mute. Please keep everybody mute. So the interpreters will read our code line by line, and they will throw the errors also one by one. Clear everybody? And they will throw the errors also one by one. Okay, right. What these compilers will do? Compilers will read our code at once and throw the errors also at once only. For example, if you write a code by using JavaScript, 20 lines. If you write code 20 lines by using JavaScript, and you have executed in the browser, then what happens? So if you okay, then nothing, you will get proper output. But if there is any error, for example, line number 4 there is a problem, 8 there is a problem, 12 there is a problem, 16 there is a problem. Still you don't know that you have executed in the browser. What you will get? How many errors you will get? Respond everybody in JavaScript.
Only one.
How many errors?
Only one.
Only one. Why? Because JavaScript uses interpreter. It will read line by line. So the errors also one by one. That means it will display line number 4 error only. Understand that my point? Respond please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it will display number 4 error only. So that means whenever it finds the error, it stop the interpretation. Okay, JavaScript will stop the interpretation. It doesn't go to the next line. After solving line number 4 error, then it will go to the 5, 6, 7 lines. And in the line number 8 there is a problem. It will stop the execution there. After solving line number 8 error, then it will go to the line number 9, 10 and 11. Since there is a problem in the line number 12, it will stop the execution there. After solving it, it will go to 13, 14, 15. 16 there is a problem, it will stop the execution there. Okay everybody, after solving line number 16, it will go to 17, 18, 19 and finally 20. And finally you will get proper output. So it will read our code line by line and throw the errors also one by one. But how this TypeScript will do? Since it is using interpreters, it will convert our code into binary code, and it will read our program at once, and it will display the errors also at once only. For example, if you write 20 lines of code by using TypeScript, you have executed in the terminal. So how many errors? There is a problem. There is 4 errors in the 20 lines also. 8 to 4, 12, 16, 4, number 4 also there is a problem. So how many errors you will get? How many errors you will get?
All the errors.
4 errors. Okay, all 4 errors or errors also will get. Why? Because it will use compilers only. So this is the fourth point. Is this point clear everybody? Respond please. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so this is the differences between JavaScript and TypeScript. Okay everybody, this is the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript. Clear everyone? Okay, right. So Okay, everybody, right? This is about the differences. Now we are going to the a little bit about MVC structure. What is it, everybody? MVC structure. So why we need to discuss about MVC structure? Because Angular follows this structure only. So what is the meaning of MVC? What is the meaning of MVC?
Model
View
view
controller.
controller.
Model view control.
Model view controller. Okay, right. Now let's just see here. I'm writing in the paint. See there? So here I have model. Sorry, I am drawing this. Consider this is the model. Consider this is the view. Consider this is the controller. So what is this? Model. See this? What is this? View. And what is this? Controller. What is that? Controller. So what is the purpose of the model? Respond everybody. What is the purpose of the model? Dealing with the data. That means if you want to, yes, database interaction. Okay. If you want to insert the data also, if you want to update the data also, or else if you want to retrieve the data also, if you want to delete the data also, we need to do it with model only. Okay, this is called this is called model. So what is the important? What is the work? What is the usage of model? What this model will do? Dealing with the data. So where is the data is available? Where is the data is available? In the model
In
only.
database. Sorry,
Okay,
in model.
okay. In the database only, but we'll retrieve it in the model actually. Okay, right. Right, where it is available in the model. Now, what is this view? What is the purpose of the view? Respond everybody. What is
Displaying
the
the
purpose?
data.
Okay, retrieving data, updating data, and everything model only. I'm asking what purpose
Displaying
of
the
view. Right, what is that?
displaying.
Displaying the data. Okay, display data, and only displaying data. No, retrieving data also from the user. What is that? Get data. What is that? Get data from user. For example, you have opened Amazon.in or else Flipkart.com. Do that Flipkart is empty or else it is containing products? Respond everybody.
Products.
So what are they doing? They are displaying the data. Of course, they are products, maybe images also, text also. They are nothing but data of that application. Understanding it, everybody? See here. Okay, Flipkart.com. See it. So what are you seeing here? What are you seeing here? Products.
Data.
Okay,
Products.
yeah, products. Okay, products. So this is images. This is images, and this is text. Air coolers, main sequence, and this teddy bears and everything is what? Text only. This is
Products.
text and this is image. So whether it may be images also, text also, what are they? Products. Sorry, what are they? Data only. What are that? Everybody respond. Data only. Understanding?
Data.
Okay. What are they? They are nothing but data. So how we are able to see it? Simple way. They are displaying this data. For example, I want to purchase this product. I want to purchase this product. Can I purchase this product directly? No. I need to log in. Can I log in directly? No. I need to register. So whenever I am entering the data in the registration form, what they are doing? They are getting the data from you and they are storing the database. So displaying data also through view page only, getting data also from view page only. Understanding that my point? Hello? Respond
Yes, sir.
everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. That means that the registration form and login form, everything we need to do in the view page only. And this product display form and everything we need to do in the views only. Okay, right. So where is data is available in the model? Where we need to display the data in the view page. So though the data is available in the model, can I send this data directly to the view page? Can I send this data to the
No,
direct
sir.
view page?
No, sir.
Okay, no. So is this possible? No. We cannot send directly this data to the view page. What we need to do? We need to call this model into this controller. We need to call this view into this controller, and here we need to coordinate these two. So controller is nothing but coordinator between model and view. So that means I will call this model data here, right? So this is called as model data, m underscore data. Just assume. And this model data I cannot print in the view page directly. I need to declare a variable in the controller, and to that variable we need to assign the model data. Understanding my point? C underscore data stands for controller data. M underscore data stands for model data. But both data is same. But okay, that means whatever the data is coming from the model, I am assigning that model data to the variable I have declared in the controller. Now tell me where is data is available in the controller data. So what I will do, only this controller related variable only I can bind in the view page. Is this point clear, everybody? Respond. Only this controller related data only we can bind in the view page. So this is how model view controller MVC structure will work. Okay. So last 5 minutes we are taking about data later like that. Actually, where is data is available? Actually, where is data is available? No, in the
Controller.
database.
In database.
Okay, right. But this is what type of technology? Client-side technology. So by using client-side technology, we can connect with the database. Respond, everybody.
No.
Okay? No. This client-side technology. We are not able to connect with the database. So without connecting with the database, can we deal with the data? No. But how can we deal with the data? Through REST API. So, okay, tomorrow class I will explain about that. How to communicate with the, how to deal with the REST API. Of course, today also I can explain, but my throat is little bit paining. So please don't mind everybody. I'm continuously teaching it. So I have a little bit throat pain. So tomorrow we'll discuss about this REST API, how to deal with REST API. And one more time I'll explain this MVC structure. Okay, everyone? Hello?
Okay.
Hello? Okay, right. Please don't mind.
Okay,
Tomorrow
sir.
I will complete. Yeah, tomorrow I will complete this introduction. See, first only 2 to 3 class only I will discuss only theoretically. Then immediately I will start practical sessions only. Angular installation, how to work with Angular, everything I will explain practically only. Only 2 to 3 sessions I will explain only theoretical. Okay, just introduction class. Okay, don't think I'm a theoretical trainer like that. For the new students purpose I'm telling. Okay, right. Thank you everyone. Tomorrow we'll meet and continue. Okay, right. Thank you everyone. Right. Thank you.